Assalamualaikum and very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to find the value of a limit by using direct substitution method. Okay, now what does it mean? It means that from the basic properties that you have learned from the previous videos, we just direct substitute the value of x inside the function to find the limit of a certain any given function. Okay, so let's get started with the first one, this one, a. Okay, example 2a. So limit of x as x approaches 5 is just 5. Okay, we just substitute the value lah, as I said. Yeah. Okay, now the second one is, this is the first one. Yeah. So the second one is limit 3x squared as x approaches 2. Okay. Now, for this one, we do the same process. We substitute the value of x inside the bracket. Okay, so this one we take the power. Okay, 2 squared is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay, now, next. Limit a square root of x minus 2 as x approaches 4. Okay, now for this one, more or less the same thing. We take the square root of what the x is. X approaches 4, so 4 we substitute, minus 2. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is the square root of 2. Okay, now last but not least, not really, we have another 4 after this. Now for this one, okay, so maybe I write it first. So limit of fraction 2x plus 1, x squared minus 3x plus 1. As x approaches minus 3. This one we just direct substitute. So 2 minus 3 plus 1. This one minus 3 squared minus 3 bracket minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so that is minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Down there is 9. 9 plus 9 plus 1. Plus. Plus. Okay, so it's minus 5 over 19. 19 correct? Correct. Yeah, correct lah. Correct lah, like that. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now, so all 4 answers, as you can see over there, we see the function, no matter what function, we just substitute. Okay, now, let's consider the next 4 examples. Okay, so this one, for this one, okay, we direct substitute. Okay, what's the value of x? Is minus 3 plus 4 equals berapa ni? 1. 1 square root of 1 is 1 lah. Okay, so that's for A. Now, B. Okay, B I do over here lah. Okay, it doesn't fit x. It approaches 3 for modulus x minus 2. For this one, you don't need to break them lah. It's really a modulus, but no need to define the modulus. Just direct substitute. Okay, so modulus 3 minus 2. Okay, so it's modulus 1. Modulus 1 is 1 lah. Okay, now next, this one. The exponent question. So we want to know the limit of 2 exponent x plus 1. As you can see over here, this 1 is the power. It's not 2 exponent x plus 1. This one different. This one different. Please take note. As x approaches minus 1. Okay, so we can use direct substitution method. Okay, so 2e. E minus 1 to the power of minus 1. Y minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1. This one 2. Exponent minus 1 plus 1 is 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So the answer is 2. Okay. And last but not least, this one. Okay. Maybe I copy this one first. Limit of a cube root. Sorry. X squared plus 1 over x plus 1 as x approaches 1. This one by using the property of limit, okay, we can find the limit inside the cube root. So it's cube root over here, limit x approaches 1. Okay, x squared plus 1, x plus 1. For this one also, we can find it further. We can find the limit of the numerator and limit of denominator. So it's going to get big lah. Okay, that's why I do it like this. Okay, so limit x approaches 1 for x squared plus 1. Limit x approaches 1 as x plus 1. This one, okay, cube root. Okay, so this one, what do we get? We get 1 squared plus 1. Okay, and then the denominator is 1 plus 1. Okay, so it's berapa tu? 1, 2, 2, 2 to 1 lah. Cube root of 1 is 1. Okay. Yes, that's the last example. So I think this is all the example for you to see in order to get the whole idea. Now it's time for exercises. Okay, so these are the exercises. You can pause this video in order for you to copy all the questions and solve them by applying what you have learned throughout the video. I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.